Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable calls ending when pressing the lock button on your iPhone. So that happens quite a lot with me when I take off my my phone case or whatever. The button just gets like pressed and like I'm on a call and like it gets like ended here. So to basically disable that, go to accessibility and go to the touch section, scroll down, and then in prevent lock to end call you're going to enable it, so it's going to prevent the side button from ending the current call you're in. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.